Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hotly Trending, where I share with you guides to navigating the fast-paced world of crypto. Whether you're a seasoned blockchain enthusiast or you're just starting your Web3 journey, this channel is your go-to destination for uncovering hidden gems. And if you want to secure lucrative airdrops and you want to master testnet strategies that helps to position you for sweet airdrops, all with $0 in your pocket, with the potential to earn airdrops as much as $1,000+. So join us, like, subscribe, and share this video. So today we'll be looking at how to position ourselves for Gradient Network. So we look at Crunchbase. What is Gradient Network all about? Gradient Network is another DePIN project. So it's basically a decentralized computing services that aim to improve interoperability between blockchain networks. So basically what you'll be doing is you'll be sharing your bandwidth with the project. So they basically use some of your bandwidth from your internet connection to power their decentralized computing services and provide us those services through the blockchain. So the good example of this kind of project is Grass, which did their airdrop not too long ago. So you can see Gradient Network raised an undisclosed amount of money from multi-coin capital and two other investors. So if we're back on their website, you can see this is Gradient Network. You can see they are backed by multi-coin capital, Hongshan, and Pantera. So you know this project is definitely serious. So how do we position ourselves for this airdrop on this platform? Basically, what you're going to have to do is to join Gradient Network. So you click the link in the description. That is a referral link. So it brings you to this page where you're going to sign up for the platform. So in order to sign up for the platform, you have two options. You either sign up with your email address or you sign up with your Google account. So me, I'll prefer and I'll highly recommend that you sign up with your Google account because almost everybody these days have a Gmail account and it just makes it seamless. So click on sign up with Google, then you basically select your Google account. So that's what I'm doing on screen right now. So I'll select my Google account that I want to sign up with. So I click on continue. This would definitely give us access to Gradient's platform and we'll be met with the dashboard. Okay, so a special welcome package for new users. It gives you 3,000 experience points and 2% reward boost. So this is basically you input the referral code of the person that referred you. If you use the link in the description, the code will be auto-populated, so it will be there automatically. But since this is basically a test account, I'll just skip that for now. So step 1 is completed. As you can see, this is after you've inputted your referral code. Step 1 is completed. We've successfully signed up. So step 2 is what we're going to do now. Step 2 is for you to connect your Twitter account. So you click on that button. Authorize Gradient Network to access your account. Basically, you sign into your Twitter account and you authorize the network to sign into your account. So now we are back to the dashboard after we've connected the Twitter account. So the third step to do now is in order to earn points and position ourselves for the airdrop, we have to deploy a node. So basically the node is an extension that will run in Chromium based browsers. So you download the extension and you add it to Chrome. So it works on Google Chrome, it works on Microsoft Edge, and if you're on mobile, for our Android users, you can use Kiwi browser or devices browser. For iOS or iPhone users, you can use Orion browser, Orion browser, so that will enable you to use the extension. So now I've added the extension, the Gradient Sentry node. As you can see down there, Gradient Sentry node. We've added this extension to this brand new account. So what you do is you click on the extension. So I always advise, please pin the extension so that it is going to be always accessible for you. So now, because we're opening this for the first time, welcome to Gradient Centric community, blah blah blah. So I got it. So now it's showing disconnected because we are not connected yet. It is still customizing our personal experience. So you can see from the dashboard, there's no node showing up because why? We just signed up. So don't be scared when you see disconnected. It will actually get connected with time. So it could be because maybe your network connectivity is poor or there are some performance issues, so it might show disconnected, but don't fear. So now I've transitioned into my account here. So as you can see, 3 nodes have been deployed. There's you can see the extension. You can see it's good. Once it shows good with the green dot, it means you're good to go and you're good to start earning reward. Please understand that if you use VPNs, it is going to show unsupported. So VPNs are not supported. Please don't use VPNs. Just use your normal network. It works everywhere. It works in most countries in the world, I guess. It works almost everywhere in the world. It works in Nigeria, works in India, works in China. I believe it should work in China anyways. It works in the US, UK, anywhere you are in the world. So you can see your status, your reward. You can see but still currently in season 0. So this is very, very early. This is not like Grass or NodePay that are in, their season 3. So this is very, very early. So you can see from your dashboard, you can see, let's look at the season 0 rewards. I currently have 175 points, which is not that much. Today I've earned 1.62 points based on the uptime. I think 40 minutes of uptime for 1.62 points. It's not that bad. So you can see I have a total of 3 nodes that I've deployed on 3 devices. So my laptop, my desktop, and my mobile device. So I got 3 nodes, but only one is connected. So as you can see, the one showing good is one that is connected. The tabs I will explain what the tabs mean later on in the video. So let's look at the rewards. You can see it shows your rewards per day, what you've earned, your hours of uptime. Then the achievements, very important for you to earn experience points, which will give you boost to your earnings ability. So you can see when you join, please try to achieve an uptime of 72 hours. It is very important for this airdrop. Please try to achieve that. So the tabs also, if you can receive 500 tabs, that would be good, but please try to reach an uptime of 72 hours. It is very, very important. So these achievements are good. You can get them easily. So you can see this account is currently in the bronze. There are 5,000 experience points to get to silver, which will give me 4% boost. From silver, you get to gold, which will give you 6%. Platinum is 8%, and then diamond is 10% boost. So let's look at referrals. Now, referral reward is 3.56 points. Currently, this account has 0 qualified referrals, 4 pending referrals, and the referral code. You can input an email address of your friend and send it to them to invite them. Both of you will get 20 points for every qualified referral, and you that you referred, your friend, will get a perpetual 10% bonus from all your referees' rewards. So basically, step 1 is you sign up, invite your friends. Step 2 is your referral will become qualified once the person you referred achieves 72 hours of uptime. That is why these ones are still pending. once they achieve 72 hours of uptime, then they'll become qualified referrals. So let's look back at the dashboard, and you can see this is just how it is. So basically, this is showing disconnected now. I think I'm having issues with my network, but anyways, keep on running this in the background. As long as you're running this node, you keep earning points. So the more points you earn, the more you're positioning yourself for this airdrop, and it promises to be quite something that you're going to love. So just do this. It is very easy to do. Basically, just keep the extension running. You can have deploy the nodes on your other devices. Make sure those devices are not running on VPN. So invite your friends, your co-workers, everybody, and let them partake. This doesn't cost you anything to do and can be easily done within 5 minutes. So this comes to the end of this video. If you have any questions, comments, you can or disagreements, you can share them. And please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.